Hey viewers, this is me Manisha and welcome to Bollywood Live Awards 2024 panel discussion this year again, and this time we have three actors who have been doing exceptional work in their zone, and I would like to welcome Gulshan Devaya, Akshay Oberoi and Karan Wahi. Thank you so
Thank you.
much for joining on this panel discussion today. And the topic is that how much does social media impacts the actor's career? So, to begin with, Gulshan, my first question to you would be, you have been in the industry since long, and you have seen the industry changing and evolving. So, what do you feel that how much does social media actually impact an actor's career?
Well, I like social media. It's very useful, but I don't think it impacts. I don't think you get jobs because of how many followers you have. To some extent, it may be an indicator in some instances. Like in overall, जो भी casting होती है, I don't think it impacts. Your ability as an actor, your track record as an actor, your skill, and what kind of relations you maintain with people, that these things really come into play. And social media is I think a lot of people do monetize their social media. It's good to keep in touch with be connected with fans, and also to sort of use it to promote products and make money, and all of those things. Subsidiary चीजें जो है उसके लिए social media बहुत काम आती है. But I know this may be a slightly contrarian, but I don't think the amount of followers that one has impacts actually getting jobs. There are lots of actors with like millions of followers who probably are not as employed as we think they are. In terms of, I'm sorry, this sounds really bad actually the way I put it. I don't mean to be like disrespectful to anybody. I mean that in terms of actually being cast in a project, I don't think it impacts. Otherwise, I'd be not good. I have 196,000 followers on Instagram, and I don't think I'm cast because of my Instagram following, or Twitter following, or social media.
Akshay, what would be your take? That how much does it impact as an actor? For how much does social media impact to an actor's career, acting career in today's time?
Manisha, I've had a very confusing journey with Instagram and with social media in general. I think because I was naturally bad at it, I avoided it and I disrespected it completely. And I would look at other people around me who really understood it, and it came from an insecurity of I'm not good at this, therefore it must suck, as opposed to trying to engage with its benefits. Yet I still am here on this panel chatting with you, and I've done all this work. So I wasn't ever really good at Instagram, but I got work. Now, that's not to say that if I was to go back and I was better at Instagram and I had following, I probably would have had more access to work and more access to people, because I was already working on my craft. But then I could have enhanced it and given it a bit of a support or another leg to stand on if I had a larger following, which is something I realize now. So it has to be used correctly, and it's a vicious cycle, because once you start using it, then the dopamine hits of how many likes and how many comments and did my reel go viral. So उसकी एक दायरा होना चाहिए. You shouldn't just completely drown in it. But I think Gulshan's point of monetizing it, plus I will get more work. I know that because people know me as my track record as an actor. But if I have more access to a larger thing, then studios start thinking, when we cut that trailer and we put it on his page, X million people will watch it, which is their fear of me right now, perhaps at times when they're casting. So I think it's a helpful tool, and I've finally learned to overcome my vulnerabilities and insecurities over it, and I am trying to improve on it. In fact, I'd like to point out that Karan Wahi has seen me at my worst, and I saw him at his best. We did a project called Barcode, which I think 4 people of all India might have seen. But I learned from, I saw him using it effectively there. And I learned, now I go back and I wish I had done it at that point. But, it's never too late.
Yeah, of course. Karan, coming to you, you have had a beautiful transition, and today you are doing exceptional work. And my memory for you has been Remix. So yeah, and now I see you. see you grow as an actor. So how social media has been a helpful tool for you, and do you think that it actually does impact the actor's career in getting them good work?
Well, I honestly, I think I agree with the two of them, what they've said, but I feel, uh, social media has become like a very, very big thing now, vis-a-vis what Akshay was saying that, 2017 when we used to use social media, considering it was not a monetized platform, it was for fun and it was just to create like, speak to your fans and probably connect with them. But just adding to what Gulshan said earlier, uh, see, if you have your craft in place, no one can take that away from you, and you will get your due or you will get your work. But what happens, what I have realized with a lot of people, uh, if you've been there in the fraternity for a long time, social media might not be as relevant to get you work or not. But if you're coming, as a fresh face or somebody who's not done that much work, or like primarily for someone like me, who was transitioning from television into other, platforms, social media became such a viable aspect for producers and for platforms to cast me also. Like Akshay said that अगर वो चीज मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाएगी तो XYZ अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल विल वॉच इट, जो सच है टू एन एक्सटेंट. अब इतना ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि शायद अब ऑल्सो वही वाली बात है ना, जब आप काम कर लेते हैं अच्छा, people don't actually take in consideration your numbers. But at the end of the day, because it's become a full-on business, even makers, like it's happened to me, I don't want to name shows or platforms where I have not got a character, even after having so many followers on Instagram, and they've point blank told me that यार उसके following ज़्यादा है. So we will have to unfortunately take them. Also, I've produced 2 shows, and the first thing that the platform told me was कि इस actor के followers नहीं हैं, तो we can't take him. So I feel if you've already done well for yourself, or if you're already an actor that people consider, like how I remember when I worked with Akshay for the first time. I was very scared because that entire aspect of Mr. Oberoi was कि अरे Mr. Oberoi तो is a kick-ass actor, तो ये तो बैंड बजा देगा सबकी. So I feel if you have that thing, in the media or in the reckoning, then इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. लेकिन अगर कोई नया इंसान आज की डेट में आना चाहता है ना, it does make a difference. Like if you have numbers, it makes a difference. Also, your monetary aspect, your so-called per days or your so-called project cost completely skyrockets if you have more following. And I can say it from a personal experience because I have friends who've done 1/10 the work that I have done, but I have probably 3 times the followers that I have, and they make so much more money than I can even imagine. So kahin na kahin, I feel it's a very to each his own kind of thing. Yes, it has become very, very important because at the end of the day, आजकल I feel आपकी marketing is more important than your product, unfortunately. तो वो marketing के लिए numbers game थोड़ी ज़्यादा important हो गई है.
Gulshan, coming to you, like Karan said, कि marketing बहुत important है. So, what do you feel as an actor कि इसी प्रेशर के वजह से सोशल मीडिया वैलिडेशन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है दैट you need to be up on your game. मतलब एक्टर तो आप अच्छे हो, वो सबको पता है क्योंकि आपका काम देखा है, बट विजिबिलिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि खुद को एक प्रोडक्ट बना के बेचना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया टुडे.
आप मुझसे पर्सनली पूछ रहे हैं या मेरा ओवरऑल जनरल ओपिनियन?
ओवरऑल जनरल ओपिनियन. और आपको तो हम कम देखते हैं ना.
हाँ, नहीं, पर्सनली मैं इतना अफेक्टेड नहीं हूँ, लेकिन हाँ, ये ऑफ कोर्स, सी वी लिव इन, इट्स अ वेरी सब्जेक्टिव फील्ड, द आर्ट्स, है ना. आर्ट्स में किसी चीज को नापा तोला नहीं जा सकता. So it's always going to be an opinion. And what we want majority consensus. We want most people to like us, so that, and having followers and having, that's what it means. It's like more people जुड़े हुए हैं आपके साथ में, which we feel that will affect the way our careers pan out, and how we negotiate deals and improve our brand value and all of this. So these things are correct. They're absolutely right. And one has to be smart and intelligent about how you project yourself. बहुत सारी चीजें कंट्रोल की जा सकती है, बहुत सारी चीजें आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, जहाँ पे परसेप्शन, you shouldn't worry. After a point, you shouldn't worry about how people are perceiving you. But which is why we dress nicely. We wear nice clothes. About functions पे जाते हैं तो अच्छे कपड़े पहन के जाते हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं, अच्छे से बात करते हैं. We go and greet people who are at positions of power, because we want, subconsciously or even consciously also, we want them to like us, so that can turn out to be opportunities for us. What do we all want? We want an opportunity. That's what we're all sort of fighting for, or hustling for, or waiting for. So it definitely helps if you can be smart about how you project yourself. There has to be a line, I suppose, जो मैं अपने लिए खींचता हूँ. तो और मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि लोगों को भी एक दायरा बना लेना चाहिए कि दिस इज हमारी ऑथेंटिसिटी, इससे बाहर हमारी ऑथेंटिसिटी चली जाएगी. Will be somebody else. So if they can do that, then you can definitely have a marketing strategy for yourself, build your brand, whether be it in social media or outside of social media, or with the help of social media, and strategize. As long as you're able to be authentic and unique, then it's fine. Because it's a subjective business, of course. Like, some people will like me, some people will think Karan is the best actor, some people may think Akshay is the best actor, some people think I am the best actor. And some people will think they're all shit. And they're all right. From their point of view, they're right. So ये subjective दुनिया है. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत तो strategize करना ही पड़ता है, so that people like us. I'm specifically using the word because it's like really when you strip out all of the fancy things, that's what it is about. It's about people liking us.
Yeah. Akshay, why is this validation that you want people to like you, and then only you can get the work? Because that is you feel that social media is the only tool where you can express your talent, and because it's one of the strongest platform also for the exposure.
यार मुझे लगता है एक्चुअली, जो अगर आप, आई डोंट नो, बट so you'll have to cross check this, but I'm pretty sure जो साउथ के बड़े बड़े स्टार है ना, वो इतना इंस्टाग्राम यूज नहीं करते, बट देश के परहैप्स पिछले साल के सबसे बड़े स्टार वो थे. So I don't think that's the only way. It's supplemental, right? It's like each thing is an addition. Like I think Gulshan mentioned something about going to parties and being liked, and yeah, what he was just saying about going to parties and getting people to like you and stuff. I mean, it's all part of supplementing the career. The craft has to be worked on primarily, right? Everything is an offshoot of that. But I'm talking about acting. Now, if you're a digital creator, it's a whole different journey for you. And I do not know, because I'm not a digital creator. That's a whole separate ballgame. But for the actor, you have to, of course, I think the majority of your time, because हर इंसान का एक bandwidth भी होता है ना, आप family के साथ भी हो, friends के साथ भी हो, दूसरी चीजें कर रहे हो, कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, like all those things are also important. But primarily you have to work on your craft, and then these are offshoots. Go to the right parties, meet the right people, perhaps message people whose work you would admire and you want to work with, work on your Instagram. So it absolutely should not be the only way. I think recently there's a film called Doom 2 where the young boy in that film, Timothée Chalamet, might be the biggest star in the world, but I highly doubt he has the highest Instagram following in the world. In fact, I'm certain he doesn't. So it's just part and parcel. And I think authenticity is the right word to use. Like, you have to be authentic, and then only do these things work. Whether you go to the party, be authentic. Whether you're posting on Instagram, it has to be you and your own unique voice. ये सब बेमतलब है. So that's my take on that.
Mm-hmm. Karan, what's your take on, social media validation, how important it is? Because you want today as an actor that everybody should like you to get good work.
I think that's just not for social media. I think in general, if I'm an actor, I would want everyone to like my work. But it is subjective. But I feel social media has become such an internal aspect of our society now. Because I feel it's become, all your revenue models have shifted to social media. and all your monetary aspects have shifted to social media. Like as an actor, uh, uh, if I'm giving 12 hours on set, some people do think in that terms that if I'm giving 12 hours on set, I make this amount of money. And if I'm on social media and I put a small post for a brand, I'm making 10 times more money.
Yeah.
So I feel because वो quantification शुरू हो गई है हर चीज की, तो इसलिए भी वो relevance ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. But eventually, like I've always believed that we're living in a viral world. But
Yeah.
it's your longevity that will eventually count. And virality से ज्यादा longevity का ही फायदा है. अब आप virality कुछ भी stupid करके कर लो, कुछ भी मतलब
Yeah.
like I'm telling you, I have 3.5 million followers, and it's not changed me as a person. And it's nothing to be like, you know, at the cost of sounding pompous, but उसका कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि eventually
नहीं भाई, be
आज
pompous.
क्या तो बोल रहा है यार?
नहीं
क्या
यार,
बोलने वाला था?
नहीं यार, मैं बताऊं क्यों क्योंकि आज भी ना,
I'm not mistaken.
बिकॉज उसका अगर आप जेन्युइन मैथ्स करो तो 3.5 मिलियन मतलब यार 1.5 बिलियन तो हमारी पॉपुलेशन है. we're not like our country only, and Instagram or social media, you have fans from all over the world. Some
Yeah.
of them I am sure are not even fans, are bots. But I feel it's like it's good to stay connected because today's world is about that. 20 years back people were like जितना ज्यादा छुपा सकते हो उतने बड़े स्टार हो, और
Correct.
जितना ज्यादा दिखाओगे उतने बड़े स्टार हो. So I feel it depends person to person. If you're if things are going right without it, then well and good. If things like I feel Akshay, like I keep telling him all the time, मैं हमारा ये internal joke है हमारा कि बस कर भाई, थोड़ा काम मुझे भी दे करने दे. कहीं तो मतलब जहाँ ऑडिशन देने जाओ पता चलता अक्षय ओबेरॉय पहले आए हुए हैं, तो हम तो वैसे ही घर चले जाते हैं. So it's like, and it's actually true, and I'm very proud of this boy because I've known him for so long now that even after him being completely not giving a damn about social media and the kind of person that he is, it's not that he's not doing work. So I think वो जो क्राफ्ट पे इन्होंने बोला ना कि क्राफ्ट पे तो आपको काम करना ही पड़ेगा वरना हमारी देसी लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं पत्ते शो हो जाएंगे.
But Karan Wai is much richer than I'll ever be. तो उसमें
That I am.
See,
that is because of social media. That because I'm also a good businessman, na, bro.
मेरा एक और ये सवाल था कि जैसे अभी करण ने बोला कि यू हैव टू हैव जितना दिखोगे उतना बिकोगे, बट डोंट यू थिंक एज एन एक्टर अगर ओवर एक्सपोजर हो जाता है तो वो अर्जेंसी या वो क्यूरियोसिटी कम हो जाती है ऑडियंसेस को आपको देखने के लिए. जैसे अगर ओटीटी पे कोई नया वेब शो आया, क्योंकि आज इतना कुछ है तो इट्स जस्ट कि पीपल इज लाइक कि अरे ज्यादा ओवर एक्सपोजर है, एंड सोशल मीडिया की वजह से वो कहीं ना कहीं नेगेटिव थ्रेट भी बन सकता है. एनीवन कैन आंसर.
आई डोंट नो, लेकिन मैं मिसाल देता हूँ आपको. जब मैं पहले 2008 में आया था तो मैं ऑडिशंस पे जाता था, तो मैं ज्यादा ऑडिशंस पे नहीं जाता. और भी मेरे सारे दोस्त थे वो दिन में 50 ऑडिशन पे जाते थे. उनको भी काम मिला, मुझे भी काम मिला. सो इट्स लाइक I just didn't want to expose myself too much, and that worked for me. They exposed themselves 100%. They put themselves out everywhere, and that worked for them. So both are strategies that work, and you need to sort of tinker with it and find the right balance. अपने लिए क्या है जो हम तीनों बोल रहे हैं कि ऑथेंटिसिटी, हम सबकी ऑथेंटिसिटी, हमारा चरित्र जो है वो, हम जिस किस्म के इंसान हैं वो अलग है. Karan is different to Akshay, is different to Gulshan. So it has to sort of be tailored to our personalities, and जो हम कर भी पाएंगे. जैसे मैं नहीं कर पाता ऐसे कि मतलब कुछ लोग, मैं जानवी कपूर के साथ काम कर रहा था, वो बहुत बड़ी मेहनती लड़की है, इतना काम करती है, रोज कुछ ना कुछ उसका चलता है. शूट के बीच में भी डूइंग अ फोटो शूट, डूइंग सम इवेंट और डांस रिहर्सल चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है. मैं नहीं कर सकता ऐसे. आई विल बी एग्जॉस्टेड, बट शी कैन. Some people can. I mean, कुछ लोग शाहरुख की मिसाल देते हैं, but have you seen how hardworking he is? He's 24 hours Shahrukh. You really want to be 24 hours Shah Rukh Khan? I don't want to be Gulshan Deviya 24 hours. I want to be Gulshan Deviya where now. After this, I don't want. I just want to chill and be with friends or go watch a movie. ऐसे. So you have to decide what you really want, and it takes time and effort and a little bit of trial and error. So I think it both are correct. Overexposure भी हो सकता है, underexposure भी हो सकता है. आपको थोड़ा नाप तोल के trial and error method से आपको अपना तरीका ढूंढना.
Akshay, what's your take? Yeah.
Yeah, it's also all passing, For some time you're overexposed, फिर वो काम नहीं मिलता है, so then you're underexposed. So it's all transient. Like all these things are just blips in the career. Karan said the right thing about longevity. I mean, it is the long game. So you have to kind of do work to be exposed, because if you're not exposed, people don't cast you, people don't see your work. So you have to get your talent out there. But and it's cyclical. Everything is cyclical in the business. I mean, there are outliers. Like I think Shah Rukh Khan is an outlier where he's always been ever present and 24-hour Shah Rukh Khan. Perhaps that has to do with his ability to be Shah Rukh Khan all the time. Perhaps to do right place, right time. I don't know, but there are outliers to it. But the rest of us fall in this bell curve that sort of you're overexposed, you're underexposed. अरे वो बहुत सारे shows कर रहा है, अरे वो कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, उसको बुलाओ. So it's all a cycle, and you can't be so caught up in strategizing that way. You'll never be able to survive if you strategize that way.
I think it's just a term made by a few people who probably, have the power to cast. Sometimes they'll call you overexposed. Sometimes they'll say, "नहीं, अब सही है." Like I've faced this a lot personally. I believe. Like एक tag जो हमारा overexposure का होता था ना, कि मुझे बोला जाता था, यार तू तो हर जगह दिखता है. So that's why we can't give you web. तू टीवी कर रहा है तो तू वेब कैसे करेगा? या वेब में कभी बोला जाता था कि no, you're on another platform, that's why we can't take you on this platform. I feel these are just terms. I feel when they need you, suddenly you are not overexposed. When your time is going right for you, everyone wants to work with you, then suddenly one day these people only will tell you that अरे आपने बहुत काम कर लिया. So I feel till the time you're good at what you want to do, and you're very clear with what how you want to take your career. Like I could do 10 things because I like doing 10 things. Like some people used to tell me कि तू host मत कर, तू host करता है ना इसलिए तेरे को acting नहीं कोई देता है. I've also gone through that zone where I'm like, oh yeah, I think I should not host because they're not taking me seriously as an actor. Then when I was acting, they were like, you don't do this or you don't do that. So I feel it's just a very personal choice, and how you want to take your career. Overexposed, like how Gulshan said, Shah Rukh Khan is Shah Rukh Khan because we've seen him all these years and we're still seeing him. He's been on TV. We call him a television actor turned film star on our convenience. But it's like at the end of the day, we're all here to work, and different people make different choices, and sometimes they go right for you, sometimes they don't. So, ठीक है, to each his own.
Yeah, we have just few minutes left. It's just that I want to know, social media is a threat or a blessing? Everyone.
Oh, I love it. It's a blessing. I just don't know how to use it, but
a blessing. I mean, look,
if you don't take it.
Yeah, as I told you, I perceived it as a threat only because I was bad at it. But otherwise, it's a blessing.
Yeah, if
you don't take it too seriously.
Yeah, if you can have a sense of balance about it, it's definitely a blessing. It's a great thing. You can use it to communicate and reach out to people, and then it's fun also.
Fun also, correct.
Entertaining.
Agreed. It is.
Thank you so much for this wonderful conversation, and y'all keep us entertaining. We love your work. Thank you so much. This is me, Manisha, signing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha.
Thank you.